If you've been eyeing our keyring set, here is exactly what's inside. When you open it up, you'll see the keyring and the little boba case. Open the case and inside you'll find your straw. Take it out, give it a quick little wiggle, and then let it sit for a minute to soften. This just makes it easier to put together. Under the cap, you'll find a pointed tip that's used to poke the boba lid so you can stick your straw in. Finally, you can attach the keyring to the top. I like to attach this side to the lid and then use this side to easily take it on and off my bag. There's also this small little chain for things you need to grab fast, like your keys, so they don't get lost with everything else. P.S. We have a website only bundle special right now where you can get your favorite keyring and straw colors together at a discounted price.